iOS 18.4 developer beta 4 is out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back to the another video. Here is the iOS 18.4 beta 4 update. As you can see, the update size is about 704 MBs. The update size depend upon which iPhone you are using and from which iOS you are coming. I'm already using iOS 18.4 beta 3, so for the beta 4 this is the update size. Now, first thing first, how you can install this update is quite easy. What you need to do is simply go to settings, general software update, and over here you will see the update. Make sure you have selected the iOS 18 developer beta from here. When you go back, you will get the update. Now, important thing, if you follow me, you guys will know that I make these videos before installing the update to share my expectation, and after installing the update I share what is new in this update. So this video is all about the expected things, that what I am expecting in this update. Also, I want to talk about how the battery life is going, and also want to talk about a few features that I missed in the previous video regarding iOS 18.4. But I will install iOS 18.4 beta 4 right after this video, and will come back with another video in which I will talk about what is exactly new in this update. Now, if I go to the Safari over here, this is something I miss. When I tap on this over here, the history is shown over here. This is something new with the iOS 18.4. I'm not sure it came in like beta 1 or beta 2 or beta 3, but it is something new and it is very useful. And being very honest, it makes searches very easy. It make using Safari very fast. So yeah, this is a useful feature. Also, I noticed that I didn't talk much about the another thing that is in the control center. When you go to add a control and you are somewhere maybe at the bottom and you add a control, and when you go back to add another control, it actually goes straight to that point. You don't it like you it will not start from the top. It will stay over here where you left previously, which is also really nice, really handy, and can help a lot to save your time, and you don't have to scroll and go all the way down to find that where you were. It saves your previous position. That is also with the iOS 18.4, which is very nice. So these are some of the things that I missed. Now, so far, battery life is decent, being very honest. I used 18.4 beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. So yeah, battery life is getting better for sure, which is very nice. As you can see, I used 100% on my device today, and I got $9 as 54 minutes screen on time. Yes, I am using a lot of my phone. I am on WhatsApp, I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and this is something in the background. This is not on screen. But yes, I'm using my phone a lot and getting a really good battery life on the iOS 18.4 so far. One thing I'm disappointed with the iOS 18.4 betas is the Geekbench score. I'm not getting good Geekbench score, being very honest with you guys. I'm getting a decent score like 2364 on a single core, 5758 on a multi-core. This is not a bad score. This is a decent score, but 18.3 was giving much better score. So I'm a bit disappointed with the scores when it comes to iOS 18.4 betas. Now, if you ask me that should you install the iOS 18.4 beta 4, if you were already using any beta of 18.4, maybe beta 1, beta 2 or beta 3, yes, you can install the update. But if you are using iOS 18.3.2 or maybe 18.3.1, I will suggest you to stay on that update. Don't install the beta update. Betas can be good, they can be bad, so just don't install on your main device. So far, overall things working fine. So Apple is on weekly cycle, which means we are expecting next update and next week too, which is very nice. Now I'm gonna install this beta to see what is new in this update, and I will come back with another video very soon. So I'm just gonna install this update over here, so I can come back and share what is new with this update. As you can see, I am already installing this update. So yeah, update requested. So yeah, this is all from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, And one thing I noticed, many of you are not subscribing to my channel. Very few percent, like 2-3% people are subscribing. Like, I don't know what should I do. I try to make videos to help you guys. So please make sure to subscribe, hit the like and share. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. It is gonna take a 5 minute, as you can see. And peace out.